So if the proton number is 2, then I can write or neutron number is 2. So what I can write, n is equal to 0. If I can write 0 means, then what happens, L is equal to 0. When L is equal to 0 means it shows s orbital. So s orbital means it can divide it into, it can only one divided, it can divide as a 1 s of whole power of 2. So here 1 is there, that's why 2 we are getting. So these two nucleons, 2 protons or 2 neutrons will be arranged in this 1s of whole power 2. Now if I write n is equals to, n is equals to, if suppose 4 protons or 4 neutrons are there, more than 4, more than 2 number of, more than 2 neutrons or protons exist, then we can write more than 2 protons or neutrons means n is equals to, so neutrons or protons or 4 is there, 6 is there, 6 is there. If neutrons or protons are 6, then I can write here n is equals to, I can take as 1. So I can write here n is equals to 1 means L is equals to 1 is equals to P. This P I can write here, the P I can write here as, P as divided into 2 parts, 1 P 3 by 2 whole power of 4, 1 P 1 by 2 whole power of 2. So total 6 neutrons or protons. So then I can write here, suppose first level is, first n is equal to 6 means I can write first 1s of whole power of 2 plus 1p of 3 by 2 whole power of 4, you can write from it. If n is equals to 8 is there, then I can write 1s of 1 by 2 whole power of 2, 1p of 3 by 2, 4. So 2 plus 4, 6. So then we have to take this one also. Then we can write here 1p 1 by 2 whole power of 2. So 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 is total 8. So 8 you can get it. Now next we can take n is equals to 14. Okay. Then we have to take n is equal to 14. If you want to take, then you can write n is equal to 2 if you take. So L is equals to, you can get 2, L is equals to 2 minus 2. Then you are getting, so L is equal to 2 means, so 1 means P, 2 means D, 0 means 2 minus 2 0 means yes. So I can write now here D. If I take D is divided into two parts. Okay, D is divided into two parts. 1 D 5 by 2 whole power of 6, 1D 3 by 2 whole power of 4. So here S is also coming here, so I can write here S. So this I can write here. Second time S we are coming, that's why S 1 by 2 whole power of 2. So 6 plus 2 plus 4 total 6 plus 2 plus 4 is equals to 12 electrons. So here if I want to write N is equal to 14, so I can write 1s of whole power of 2, 1p of 3 by 2 4. Second, again if you want to look at here p value 3 by 2, next will cut off, so I can write 1p 1 by 2 whole power 2. So p is over, the p value is over now, so sp over. Next here only 2 plus 4 plus 2, how much? 8 only you are getting. So I want to convert into, now I want to go to 8 only, remaining 6 is required, so I need to take sp over next d. So if I take d, okay, so 1d 5 by 2 whole power of 6. Next after d will get immediately what? 2s 1 by 2. So you can write 2s 1 by 2 whole power of 2 like this. So 2 plus 4 plus 2 8 plus 6 14. So 14 is already over, plus 2 can write. So but it is extra. If it is becoming 16, then 2 plus 4 plus 2 8 plus 14 plus 16, like this you can extend. If it is plus 2 is happening, 16 plus 2 18, so we can write here 18 plus 4. If you write it, 4 is there, n is equal to 4, means you can write here after s power 2, which is over now, s power 2. Now remaining 1d 3 by 2 whole power 4. So next will come 1d 3 by 2 whole power 4. So if I calculate it, 16 plus 4 20. So 20 means 1s of 2 4 6, 2 4 plus 6 plus 8, 2 plus 4 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 4 6 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 20. So 20 is over. So 20 nucleus we can arrange. Suppose n is equal to n is equal to 50. If I write, so n is equal to 50 means I can write, so we can get it up to here only, d only we get. So some extension also we require to do it. The extension we'll write later. First write down. So the extension is, so 1s of square, 1s 1p of 3 by 2 4, 1p of 1 by 2, 1p of 1 by 2 2 8 over. Now d if I take D if I take, so D, it will start D, 1D, 1D if I write 1D is equals to 1D if I write here, so D is having 3 by 2 now, next 5 by 2, so power 6. D, already I have shown that if I write D, in the middle of D we are getting what? S. In the middle of D, 5 by 2 after related to S. So as n is equal to 2, so we are getting 1D 5 by 2 and 2S 1 by 2 whole power 2. So I can write here 2S, already we got one time S, so second time we are getting 2, so 2S 1 by 2 whole power 2, and again this D will be repeated, so 1D, because it is, so here you can write here D means 3, it is D means, so D means 2, so 2 minus 2, so it is, the 2 is divided into 1, this like this and like this, okay. So I can write D is equals to 1D, here 5 by 2 is there, minus 1 if I do it, 3 by 2 whole power 4, it's completed. Next, D is over. Now next case of, if I calculate 2 plus 4 plus 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 2 20, 14 plus 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20, you got up to 20 only, but 50 is required. So what you have to do is D is completed. Now 2 cases completed. Now come to third orbit. So third orbit, if I observe, so third orbit if you take, I can write here, this is third orbit. If I take n is equal to 3, okay, so 3 means SPD, SPD, S is equal to 0, so 2, 3, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, is equal to P, so we can get it. So 3 is equals to, we can write 3 is equal to F, because S is equal to 0, P is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, F is equal to 3, so 3 means F, so F 1 means P, so FP we are getting, if F is divided into 2 parts again, so F means F 7 by 2, because D is 3 by 2, it is 3 by 2, it is 5 by 2, it is, so it is 3 by 2, it is 1 by 2, it is 5 by 2, it is 7 by 2, so 7 by 2, okay. Then P is there, P also divides into 2, 1 P is 3 by 2, second time we are getting P, so 4 you are getting, here F 7 by 2, so power is 8, 7 is an 8 power, again F 5 by 2, 7 by 2 minus 1, 5 by 2, so first time we are getting, so 1, 6, this is P, another term, one term here, another term is coming like this, so the P is 3 by 2 now, so P is equal to 3 by 2 whole power 5, here second time again we are getting now, so 2 P power P 3 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2, so whole power of 1 by 2, it is 1 by 2, so 2 P 1 by 2 whole power of 2, so here some more electrons you can accommodate 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. So like this 12, 16, 16 plus 20, like this you can arrange here. 20 nucleons you can arrange here. So we will write D is completed. Next third orbit is coming now. Third orbit means what? F. So I can write here F. F means here 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 first time. So power 8. So next to P 3 by 2. Next to P 3 by 2 whole power 4. Next 1F 5 by 2. So next 1F 5 by 2. 7 by 2 minus 1 5 by 2 whole power of 6. Next again 2p by half, 2p half. So 2p already we got 3 by 2, so 1 by 2 square. Now even if you look at it, 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 4, if I do it 6, 8, 14, 16, 20, 28, 28 plus 4, 32, 32 plus 6, 32 plus 6, 32 plus 6, 38, 38 plus 2, 44. But still it is 50. So we require to take another orbit also, that is fourth orbit. Means we have go for fourth, means F G. G is equal to fourth. That we have to start here, G. So 7 by 2 over now. Now we will get 9 by 2 whole power of 10. Remaining I will tell you later.